This video was made to request support in the effort to build the animal rescue program with the veterinary clinic that has a complete facility that is expected to be even more rescuing animal for pain and trauma as because of the irresponsible action of the owner of the animal in Bogor, Indonesia. Consistency and affection toward any animals not only spoken, but it is need for real action. They never ask to be treated or adopted by us. But it must be remembered that we are the one who invited them to enter into our life to ensure that we are the worthy and able to care for him with all the consequences both of matter, energy, and time should we give in caring for them. Friend, they are also God creatures like us. Then fulfill our obligation to treat them according to their need both when they are ill or old. They are not like an easy stuff that we can to dispose or move handed over to someone else when we are tired, when we have no time to take care of them, when they are getting old, or when they are prolonged illness. Thus they cannot live happily with us until the end of his life. If they have given happiness or livelihood for us, then they should be able to live happily, right? Animals also have feelings. They know how it feels to be left behind, shunned, or even to be ignored. If they are sick or getting old, it is a process that must be faced together. Don't let them deal with it or need to be discarded, to be transferred, to be abandoned for any reason, or even more, to be euthanasia without medical reason. Think again if you want to adopt or buy any animals. Take care of them for the rest of his life, not just for the pleasure of the moment. The kindness one does for an animal may not change the world, but it will change the world for that one animal. Their lives are in our hands. We are their guardians. We are their voice. Speak up and be heard. Say till death do us a call to our pet. Together, we can save more animals.